Emergencies don't wait for daylight, and when a crisis hits your facility in the middle of the night, every second counts. Imagine a water leak in your building. The clock is ticking, and you need to find the shutoff valve and fast. This is where InMapz steps in. With our app, no more frantic searching. Let's see it in action. InMapz locates the exact shutoff valve that needs to be turned off. Here is how easy it is. Zoom in, and the app shows its precise location, instantly. In moments, the facilities manager or on-site team is guided directly to the valve. Problem solved, damage minimized. InMapz doesn't just save time, it saves stress, damage, and costly repairs. For facilities managers, it's not just a map, it's peace of mind, anytime. Send us a message today to set up your building with InMapz. Be prepared for emergencies, anytime.